Hmm. I wonder though. I wonder if this would be the drop. Nah. That would kind of be too obvious. They're not gonna drop it overnight. That would just be too obvious, wouldn't it? That would be too obvious, right?
Times obvious plays are the best ones to take.
Mm, I mean, clearly after everybody was shorting this thing all damn day, clearly they won't say, hey, let's short it now. But I guess we'll see.
Problem is charts first. Somewhat similar. Kind of need ES to go.
Mm,
I'm not seeing no demand from it, so might be good. Yes, gets to 98, 96 ish,
mm.
95. That's the case, you know, NQ gonna go.
Well, I mean, I will say this. I'm definitely going to try going long at 6K on ES just because it's a psychological level. I will try this long here.
Ugh, and this is a lot of consolidation. It's a little range.
Mm.
Celebrate too soon. I should have took that 1200 I was up.
Just be careful, bro.
Here we go.
Just be
Yeah,
careful if
here
you
we
short it.
go. Yo.
Because I think like, dude, it's okay. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing, bro. And I mean, don't let this discourage you or nothing. But I'm seeing, at least on the ES, this is why I chose trading the ES versus the Nasdaq. I see all this support at 6K. The bears failing to take it under 6K. And so this is like a breakout above 6K. The bears failing to take it lower. The bulls buying it back. And it looks like they're using 6K as support. Um, I think we go higher, bro. I just think we go higher. The structure is too strong on ES. Well, there's no double top. There's no head and shoulders pattern. We know the ES just don't drop. So the NASDAQ probably will, but not the ES. So that's why I chose to take the long on the ES because the structure looks more bullish and sound on the ES versus the NASDAQ. I do think that we could see a drop to 200, but I mean, the bulls just keep buying this damn thing and not letting it drop or nothing. So I realized that I traded on tilt all day that I realized I didn't use my pin this entire day. That's how I know I was trading on tilt this morning. I did not use my pin all day.
think ES.
Are you talking? Cause I guess the audio may be cutting in and out. Are you talking right now?
I was about to say I think ES could get to 98.50 and then bounce from there. You
Are you
hear me?
talking about? Yeah, I can hear you. You talking about the 200 EMA? Yeah, that could happen. But that low right there at 98.50 is a strong low. So they're not going to want price to go underneath that low. If it goes underneath this low, it's going lower. That is definitely a strong low. I'm going to just draw it out real quick so everybody, because this is the range right here that the market's been trading into. This is the break of structure right here. We saw that move up. We saw that move back down into this area. The bulls buying the retest. We're seeing another move and they're coming right back. And the bulls are going to have to hold that. Because if they fall underneath that, then this is going down back into this range right here. Gonna come right back down into that range. So the bulls are going to have to hold that area right here at 6K. And it makes sense for the bulls to come in at 6K and try to hold it there. Don't know if they're going to be successful, but they're definitely going to try. And we know what a short looks like. So, I mean, shit, this thing is going to short.
Alfred says a repeat of last night.
Mm-hmm.
Nah, this time we're really too high to keep buying.
Shit. Damn, look at that. So I'm looking at the ES like, dude, they tried selling it. What is that? Is that during FOMC? Okay, so I'm thinking that's during FOMC. There was a whole lot of selling during FOMC, obviously. From 157 to, so for 2 minutes, they said negative 25, negative 1900, 22. So I guess in a matter of 2 minutes, there was a lot of selling at one. Where was that? It says like 157, 157 through 159. There wasn't no damn selling at 159. Not on ES. But yeah, I'm looking at the book map for ES, and yeah, it looks like there's a hell of a lot of buyers there at 6K. I mean, that makes sense. That psychological 100 level. It's gonna be hard for them to break. Honestly, looking at these new projections, man, dude, the next level on ES is 20. So I'm thinking that if we can break out above 13 tomorrow or overnight or whatever, we can probably see 620 on ES tomorrow, man. See. I mean, with Nasdaq, that shit just gonna just keep going. Apparently, I don't know where the Nasdaq is gonna go, so that's why I don't got nothing drawn out for the Nasdaq.
Yeah, I could see 620 as well. For ES, I got a resistance levels there.
At 620.
Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah, because they're not dropping this shit. You got all the EMAs slightly sloping to the downside. We got VWAP, the 200. I'm sorry, not the 200, the 21 and the 50 all in one area, and they're not dropping it. They're not dropping it right here. That to me is suspicious. So just be mindful of you in that short, bro.
I know. I said I was going to reposition too.
Mm.
Fine. Fine.
Fine. Fine. Fine.
I mean, y'all, I just wanted you to touch down here. Hope.
But if the Bears do lose this, I guess we could go down back down to 59.85. If the Bears loses on ES, 59.85. Probably at that low, but it'll probably be like 59.88 because they're gonna probably want to protect that low. Mm.
They did. They got me. Ladies and gentlemen, we got them.
Oh,
Got them.
he's still short.
Yeah, NQ is looking stronger than it's looking stronger than whatchamacallit.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. And they just used that. The only reason I shorted because ES didn't have this like demand down here that NQ has.
Mm.
And I thought she was gonna lead the way. Go. But NQ has the demand here. That's not on the ES chart. That's kind of interesting.
I'm looking at this gold trade, and I think I should get out of this short. Well, it's already at my break even. Mm. Mm.
I'm gonna take a try again.
Oh, mama, I'm thugging outside. We don't need cable. Mm.
That's all I want to do. Let's go then. Try again. Yes, it's being petty. You out here being weaker than NQ.
Mm. Yeah, gold might just come back all the way up. Mm. Yeah. I mean, if they don't knock it down right here, I'll get out of this. Man, gold, man, shit, gold. I'm in a love-hate relationship with gold. Because, like I said, when she bounces, she bounces. But it seems like it's random. But I mean, I guess they're just buying the retest of this breakout. I guess. Mm, mm, mm. But yeah, so yeah, it does look like probably like a repeat from last night. I mean, the only hope that the Bears got right now is that when price literally tests my break even right here at 605 on ES, if they don't reject it from that level, then we will see that move up. But then there is also a swing high up there around like 609, 610, which could act as resistance, but I doubt that we'll see a full-fledged reversal. The market's not set up for a reversal, at least not on the ES. At least not on the ES.
You off and that go to C40.
Mm, okay.
But will it not get filled?
Hmm. The Nasdaq is literally still trending. Mm. Mm.
Get that 500 back. Get back. See the hourly.
Mm. I mean, I don't know if I should trust that, but this thing is really taking its time. Thing is really taking its time. Mm.
Like that on. Yes.
Mm. Yeah, that's the most heart-wrenching thing, man. Being over leveraged
Uh,
in a slow market. If I try to
well,
throw
at least I was gonna say at least you'll know. Yeah, it's slow, but at least you can be like, okay, yeah, this ain't it. Stubborn with it because it's slow. Change direction.
Mm. I mean, it should keep going up, but I feel like as soon as I throw a long on this damn thing, it's gonna drop.
Or get back up where it was. 400. We're not gonna see 400. You're crazy. Okay. Tomorrow, Friday too. I've seen crazier things on the NQ.
I mean, we could see 400. I mean, tomorrow though, I don't know, man.
Tomorrow, yeah, that's kind of crazy.
Yeah.
That would be. We have what? Well, I know I've seen crazier thing. Crazier things have happened.
Hmm.
This is the NQ we talking about.
Right, right. I
But
mean,
yeah, we've been up one till Tuesday, 255 points. Wednesday, epic 552 points. And today was 330 points. That's a crazy run up.
Yeah. Oof. Yeah. I, I'm
Five
think
points.
I'm thinking that if we can get over 250 tonight and find support above 250, we can see 320, 340. We can see that. But we'll probably reject that 240 to, I mean, not 240, 340, 350. We'll probably reject around that area. I mean, we know the levels by at this point. First it goes to 20, then it goes to 40, 50. Then we see the rejection. It goes all the way back down to the 100s. And then we see a pump right back up to the 50s. And if the bulls want it, it'll keep going higher. I mean, it's this rotation. We should have this rotation instilled in us by this point. I think it happened today. I think it happened today.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
But it's Friday though. It's Friday. Let's think of everything that just happened.
mm-hmm.
Papa Powell. Well, Trump won. The market reacted hella bullish to that.
Uh-huh.
Powell just cut rates again. That's usually bullish for the NQ, right?
Mm-hmm.
Um, I'm saying crazier things have happened. If I mean, think of last year, all November, December, we just kept running up
Mm-hmm.
for no reason, and we kept trying to short it. This time last year, the market just kept running up.
Yeah. For whatever
Especially
reason, we
December.
keep shorting the big move up and we keep longing the big move down. What is up with that? Gold don't break my heart. My AK break it hard. I just don't think it'll
Get our
understand if
time
you
down.
bounce before hitting my target.
Get our timing down pack.
Mm. And I love how much money I make on gold, man. It's just so easy to make money on gold. But just like the Nasdaq, as she giveth, she taketh awayeth. That's not what I like to see on ES. That's not what I want to see. Okay.
That too. Like, what are y'all doing? What are y'all bulls doing? Now, if it pops up here and tests this again,
Mm-hmm.
this 245, 250 area, and we start to look weak out here, I'm gonna take profit because they can't break past this or break out past this, then it's probably gonna be because look at all these attempts. All these attempts from earlier, or yeah, earlier session. So we're gonna have to break this 45-50 area with authority.
Yeah.
I don't like that. I don't like.
Oh, you heard me singing that? I was like, I know you ain't reading my mind.
Nah, don't like. Don't
I was about to say, I was like, am I saying that out loud? Because I thought I was singing it in my head.
like.
It's like a lot of people want to get in at 590, but there's people want to get in at 6,000. Let's see where they want to get out at. Yeah, 616. That's a good area to take some profits at 616. Honestly, I'm thinking this might get to like 615 initially and then drop. Mm. Mm. Well, I got a trailing stop. I'll trail this after a while. That's what I'm talking about, gold. Keep on golden. Keep on dropping. I will keep a close eye on this level because I was telling Smith, see my target was down here and you see it bounced before I got there. This was literally a point away from my target, and then it bounced. And this kind of gave me a flashback of when I first went tilt on gold because it did the same exact thing. It didn't miss me by a point, it missed me by literally a tick and then stopped me out after being up $1,900, passing the account. I feel like these prop firms should have like when it auto detects that you pass the account, it should automatically close out the position. But
Like, nah, you're responsible for that.
yeah.
They're like, nah, we ain't gonna do it for you. We want you to fail. Yes, this that stuff I don't like.
Yeah.
Don't like.
All right, gold. If she touches that bottom and bounces, I'm closing it. I mean, I don't need a point. I was able. So in this gold play, I was able to catch this move up here to scale into it. One of my contracts got filled. I scaled into another one, and I'm just waiting for them to get hit in this play. Like I said, I've made so far $700. Right now, I'm up $700 on 2 contracts with gold. I'm not
Nice.
risking that much. I'm only risking $400 in this trade. I'm already up 700. So that's why I love gold. It's just the risk to reward. You just have to wait for this crap though. You just gotta wait for it.
Oh shoot, my bad. Damn.
Why would happen?
Outside. There you go. You should be able to hear him now. I've been
Oh,
talking this whole time.
oh yeah, I was muted.
All
All right.
right. Back to break even.
If I see that she bounces, I'm closing this position. I hope she just. I mean, honestly, she's gonna probably hit the 200 EMA, but I'm just gonna front run it. Man, you know what, man? I'm just gonna front run it. I am in this trade on my swing account, but I'm looking for. So on my swing account, I'm actually looking for them to actually retest this level down here. So I'm looking to take profits down here on my swing account. But on this one, this is my intraday account. I'll just take it. Actually, what I should do, just in case they do kind of piss me off here, is actually move my stop. Just in case they piss me off. I mean, I'll take that if they pop this up. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So I'm guaranteed profits. So
It's being responsible.
Gold just don't play that. That's the only reason why. She just don't play that. I've learned gold. I learned my lesson. She bounces at support. She drops at resistance. She doesn't overshoot. She does not wait. F around, find out. F around and find out what gold. I've been in profit with gold so much and I've allowed profits to slip away that I've just come to the conclusion that yeah, as soon as it touches a level, I'm just going to take it and try to reposition because 9 times out of 10, what she does is you see what she's doing? You see that? You saw that? You saw it?
No, I
Shit.
missed it. I was too busy looking
Shit.
at. Oh, okay.
You saw it? Like, dude, she don't fucking play,
Oh, you
bro. She don't play. She don't play.
push that stop back. Take the profits.
Nah. I'm in too deep now.
Stupid. Nah. Hey, that's funny because I did the same thing. I'd be doing the same thing. Like, come on, NQ. Ah, no. You not nah, I'm not accepting that.
Nope.
I'm not accepting that NQ.
Hey, what's up, Ivan? What's up? Nah, I guess I should, like I said, like gold don't play, man. She just don't play. She said, I'm not the one. I'm not the one. Yeah,
She gonna
I'll
flush
just
that?
take it in my intraday account because I really don't want to have um two positions going on at the same time. I'll just take it here. I just want my
She gonna
$900 that she
flush it.
gave me. I want that.
Oh. I think she gonna flush that though, looking at it.
Yeah, she will, man. But
Well,
I ain't trying to play with her, man. Just give me my money. I
I
brought
know,
this
right?
account back from the dead.
1200.
Well, it wasn't from the dead. I just got back my daily loss limit so far. Trading on tilt today. Okay. I will put it above this candle though. I'm not playing that. That's a new candle. That shit can pop. Either it's gonna pop or drop. See? Gold, I know you. I know you, gold. I know you. Now, dude, man, this is the type of stuff that makes you trade on tilt, man. All right, let me just move away from this chart for piss me off. All right, that was a good gold trade. We made about $1,200 in that gold trade. We made $1,200.
CL's calling you. She's like, it's a short. It's a short. CL, I'm not talking to you till next year. Pipe down.
See? Hold on. Let me see something with gold. I'm not going to take a trade on her. See, you see how nasty she is, dude? You could have hit my damn target, but I only gave up a point. I only gave up a point in this move. So, you know, my mind is thinking that, dude, because it didn't hit my target, I left money on the table, but I literally only just left a point on the table. But let's see if it actually would have came down here. I'm still in this move in my swing account, so I'm not tripping, but man, gold, you ain't had to do that to me, man. You ain't had to do that. All right, so 698. Yeah, this could bounce at the 200 EMA on this thing though. We could see a bounce, but oh shit.
If I
Hold
hold to
on.
this target,
Hold on.
so
I'm short the Nasdaq?
short.
Dude, I'm short the Nasdaq? Is the Nasdaq going short? Dude, I'm short the Nasdaq. When did I do that? Dude, I'd be saying, oh, dude, I guess I said it and forget it. I guess I got filled and I forgot about it. Dude, I'm short the Nasdaq at 3. How am I short 315? Did the market go to 315 today?
Oh, you took that in the swing. Wait, what? 315.
Yo, hey, yo, this is a glitch, yo. Yo, this is a glitch. Yo.
You up?
Yo, I'm like
Average fill price.
$900.
What?
Let me close this shit before they find out. Like, nah. Let me close this shit.
Before they find out. We didn't even get that high. What?
Yo, I was like, hold on, what? I don't even remember shorting the Nasdaq.
ES? You short ES? Or is, no, that's gold. That's gold, right?
No, that's
Okay.
gold. That's gold, dude.
That's gold. Yeah, I'm tripping. Okay. But 315, like what?
I was like, hold on. 315.
That's a glitch. Let me go ahead and close that.
Your boy
Yo,
had
how
a
did
315 short, baby.
this man really is from the future? Wait, what? Who would even get that high? How you? Where does it say? No, but look at the arrow on your chart where it says that you're short. Highlight, like, yeah, go highlight the arrow. It'll show. Like, hover over the arrow, the down arrow,
You're down. Yeah, this one, right?
the red one.
Sell 5 at 21,315. Hey, I
Oh,
mean, hey, I'm not arguing with it. Again, dude, why is this not my funded account? No.
what?
Well, I guess we know where we should short at tomorrow, huh? 315, huh? 315, huh?
Hey.
You said what? You said what indicator that is? No, this is so this is TradingView and this is just a sell. So this is a sell and this is a buy. That's all that is. That's all that is.
Yeah, that's where he got in at alleged that yeah, that's some type of glitch, but hey, I
Hey,
would take it too. I
that's
ain't gonna argue with
I
it.
ain't arguing with it. I ain't gonna argue with it. I did set a limit at 315 though, because I figured that that's where we would probably see a short. But huh?
And it just took that. That's crazy.
Hmm. Interesting. I got to
Well,
experiment with that.
okay, 315.
I got to experiment
315,
with
huh?
that. At
Let's see.
315, huh?
Let's see my P&L on that.
315.
Okay. That's like it's like almost 7K for me if I hold to that.
315.
800.
Hmm. Nah, I'll just stay
That's
long
too
on the
fun.
ES. I'll stay long on the ES. I'm not gonna get long on both the ES and the Nasdaq.
Oh yeah. See, keep my eye out on that. But I'll take 380. I'll take 380. 50. Nah, I'll take 380.
I don't think we get the 380, bro.
Okay. Okay. What up, Ivan? That is too funny though. Okay. Okay. All right, we gotta pay close attention to this up here. If we get back up here, 345, 340, 350. This is what got me instead of 1200, I took 200. So it got me stopped out last time. Thinking that we was just gonna go. Because we never just go. It always has to be a moment, a setup, or the right time. Now, we got all this up here getting rejected. This area, this 345, 340, 350 area at the close yesterday. We got this first attempt, which is the high of the session, 245. Got to pay attention to this if we get up here. like make or break. Which I think we break though. I think we're gonna
Yeah,
break through
I think we break through too because price is trading in a range right now.
that.
So when I see ranges, all I see is money. Because I mean, even though this was kind of small, you can kind of see that it happened right here too. Like you can see that obviously in hindsight, but you don't see it in a moment. You saw this range right here, and you can see them buy the break. So I mean, they broke out of this range. They broke out. They came back. They bought the retest, and they pushed up higher. And it looks like the bulls are still buying the retest right here. It looks like they're still buying, but also price is also trending as well. It's trending on the EMA and it's trending. So I mean, price on the Nasdaq is in an uptrend. I mean, in order for it to break the trend, I guess it would have to break below the 50 EMA. It would have to break below that. It would have to break below this level right here. Like it would have to break that 200 level. Would have to break, yeah, 200, and we would need to see a strong move, and then this will be the entry short for that breakdown right there. But that's if we see that price is trending. And so I do think that what's likely to happen is that we break this high at 253. And if the bulls can find support at 245, 253, somewhere right here, and they buy the retest, yeah, we're going tomorrow. Our boy Smith thinking that we go to 380. The computer already told us 315, so I mean, they already told us 315. Uh,
Tricks effed up. They done told you. Got the clue now. Every
they told us
minimum, we going to
315 already.
315. Minimum.
350.
I said I want 380. I'll take 380. What I really want is higher.
You looking for that 400?
450.
450?
I'll take 415. 415. Because you know
Mm-hmm.
how they like to do.
Mm-hmm.
Like you said, 420, 420, 440, 450.
Back down to the 100s, and then a retest of 440, 450. And if the bulls can get above that, we go higher. If they reject, we go lower. I mean, it's the same pattern. We know this by now, or at least we should. It does the same shit. It does nothing different.
But I'll accept. Yeah, I'll accept 380 though. I'll accept that.
Mm.
I wouldn't be mad at making 12K for just holding a position. I wouldn't be mad at that.
My boy Smith holding a position. Like I said, dude, if we combined ourselves, heavy size, long trades, yeah, these prop firms was like, nah, we're sorry to inform you that you just can't buy another account with us. You're going to bankrupt us. And we chose to not allow you to buy another account.
Like, shoot, put me on payroll then. I'll trade for whatever, whoever's backing these firms, because I know they go through. I think you Profit said they got some. I forget the name of it. Somebody that gives the live capital and stuff.
Mm.
Payroll.
Yeah, because I mean, they're like casinos. I feel that prop firms are just basically casinos masquerading as prop firms. They're calling themselves prop firms, but they're casinos. But these new rules that they're coming out, as I've said before, if you can pass these accounts and get to live, then there's nothing really stopping you from either opening up your own firm and trading other people's money or going working for a bank and trading for them, an investment bank and trading for them. Because these are the rules that professionals have to adhere to. You can't be playing like, being in drawdown with somebody else's money and think that you're gonna stay there. Like that
That's
trailing
true.
drawdown stuff with Apex, like
Yeah,
that's
with your
true.
Michael Burry.
Oh yeah, Michael Burry. Shit. Nah, Michael Burry,
He
shit, you
did
gotta pay
not
what you
care.
owe.
He did not care. It's like we're
Mm,
down 20%. It's gonna work out. And then they had to sit through that for like at least a year.
mm. I'm gonna take that chance, bro. I'm gonna take it, man. I'm gonna take it. I'm taking it, bro.
Or
I'm gonna take it. This is such a risky short. This is so risky. You know what? I shouldn't do it. I shouldn't do it. I'm in this in my swing account. I should be happy. But every time I look at my swing account, I think, damn, I could have been in my other account with this still. Mm. Dude, Michael Burry, like, dude, yeah, man, trying to get the big short too. This man was up like $1 billion, right, or something like that.
something like
This man was up.
that.
This dude was up, and he let them options come back and expire worthless. Like, dude, we fighting after that, man. You're gonna have to pay me some of that money back because you was straight gambling. You was trying to get the big short too, instead of taking profits on my damn money.
Oh, you talk. Oh, yeah, I know what you was talking about. Gosh, what positions did he have? Yeah, he was up big,
Yeah, he was.
but then something changed. Something changed in the market. The sentiment changed, and then we just start going up. The market just started going up.
He said, "Hey, yo, hey, we all know why that pump happened." Mm.
I'm starting not to like this small. Let me see. Check the hourly. On these small time frames, I'm not. I don't like it, but yes, that could be forming flag anyone. Full flag? Get a
Mm.
run up, a continuous run up.
I mean, like I said, I think this holds, man. Because if they wanted to short this thing, they would have done it by now. We know what the market does when it shorts. If it ain't going down, what does that mean? That shit's going up. Yeah, I'm trying to find that story with Michael Burry, but I can't find it. I'm not really looking that hard either. I'm just kind of typing it in Google and see what pops up. But I will say that the market is a different kind of market, though. I mean, like I said, it's no longer tied to reality.
Yeah,
I mean, after we got those, that 0% interest rates and money was basically free, the market changed after that, man. The market no longer traded how it used to. I mean, the ES now trades 20, 30, 40 points in a day now. I mean, that right there should tell you something that something has obviously changed in this market. If
yeah. When it
it,
used to be 4 points. Four. You imagine sitting through a trade and it's going back and forth. You're up 2 points, down 2 points
mm-hmm.
all day.
I'm up 3 points on the ES, baby. I'm up 3 points.
Like, oh
Pen,
damn, I'm back at break even.
yeah, that shit, yeah. So, Pentium user, what platform I'm using to trade? So I'm using NinjaTrader 8 for MFF, and I'm using TradingView for UProfit. So those are two different platforms. Um, Darcy, Darcy said there's a head and shoulders pattern forming on the NQ. Um, hmm, I would definitely agree with that. This would be kind of your head. and your two shoulders right here. I mean, I can definitely see that. Like I said, I think 200 holds. If we lose 200, then it will be up to the bulls to come back in and find support above 200 and rip. If we lose 200, like if the bears come in, we lose 200 and they come back and they double top here at these lows, it's going to be very difficult for the bulls if they fail here to reclaim. So it's going to go down. It would have to go down to rebalance lower and find new buyers that's willing to buy this market up, possibly back down into this range right here around like 175. But I mean, we could like, dude, we could see a big move because, now that I'm no longer in an emotional state, I was in this move with FOMC and they tapped this range so many times. Like it was so criminal. I really thought the market was against me because uh as soon as they got to the bottom of this range right here, I got in, the market will move up, I got happy, and then all of a sudden it drops right back down to my break even. And you can see that this thing did this break even touch 10 million times, then it came all the way back up, and then it dropped back to my point of entry. And I'm like, yo, what the fuck? And so from this area, we got this move up into this range, and they're holding it. So based on that, I'm thinking that we might not see this range. This could have been the market kind of clearing out this area so it can go higher. That's going to be my bias for right now because there was no reason for it to tap into this range as many times as it did if it's just going to come back down and retest this area again. It just wouldn't make sense. The price action wouldn't make sense. But right now, that's my bias that we hold 200.
Look at that chart. Yeah, that's super trending.
Yeah.
Super trend.
Yeah.
Here we go, NQ. NQ said F a head and shoulders. Y'all want 315? I'm gonna give it to I'm gonna give you 315.
Dude, I'm shorting 315. I'm shorting 315. I'm put my damn thing out there already. Shit, she already told us 315. I'm a listener. I'm a listen.
You was up how much were you up on that? Like
900.
900?
Yep. Got me a nice 900 short from 315, even though we ain't touch it yet. Shit.
So let me hurry up and close this. Get my free money. Oh, so did you okay. So did you have a limit? You had a limit set.
I think I had a limit
then,
set there, yeah. Yeah.
And then it must have glitched it must have failed somehow. Okay, was that position open since the open, or did you just like
Nah, I think I
notice it?
set the limit. I think I set the limit
Or
before the close, just in case we
was it
gapped
filled
up. Yeah.
filled at the open of this session though?
Dude, I don't even know when that shit got filled. I just looked at it because all I saw was that I was in two positions. I was like, hold on, when did I get into the Nasdaq? I thought I could have sworn I was about to long this thing, but
He said I'm short. 315. When did we get to 315? I'm like, we did. Yo, that is an amazing glitch. Hey, don't tell you profit.
Shit,
Dude, I should have set the limits. Can you imagine if they filled me 315 short with 4 minis?
yeah, I was in short with I think I had like 3 micros, if I'm not mistaken. That's crazy, bro. And I was in with 5 micros short. I was in 5 micros short.
Nah, seppuku 315 didn't get hit. It never got hit, but he was filled at 315.
I think that was just the
That's why
Nasdaq
we
was
laughing.
saying, you know what, baby, I know I hurt you today. I know I made it seem like I was going short, and you went through so many accounts, revenge trade shorting in this, but I'm gonna give you this. Hopefully you can forgive me and not go to gold, because she know about gold. She know if she keep acting up, I'm gonna be gold trader, gold anonymous. I think it's more fitting because apparently you lose more money in gold than Nasdaq. I never bloated an account so quick except for in gold. I was like, oh shit, I bloated the account already, or I hit daily loss limit. It was that fast?
That's wild.
Yep, seppuku. Yep. Dude, I don't know, man. I just set the limit and just saw a clean, nice little $900. I'll take it. I'll take it.
He said, he said, hold up. When did we get paid? I'm short.
Let
Let me hurry up and close this.
me go ahead and lock this in real quick.
I would have did the same thing.
I'm not gonna kiss a gift horse in its mouth, especially when it's free. Could have been greedy. It's like, nah, let's see how long I can. Nah, I'm gonna close that. I'm a stubborn bear, but I ain't a foolish one. I'm gonna close this one out.
Thank you for that, NQ. I'll take that free money. That's crazy.
So Pentium user. So me and Smith, we've been trading for a very long time. He's more momentum based. He likes to trade heavy size, trading the momentum. I'm more of a smaller side trader. Honestly, I trade micros. I don't even trade minis anymore. I trade micros. I trade structure, technical analysis. I look for patterns, chart patterns on the chart, and I get in where I believe that the market will react in my favor. Um, you'll see that I go for big targets with big stop. So usually on Nasdaq, I usually have a 50-point stop with a 80-point to a 150-point target. And if I'm given the opportunity to scale in, I'll scale into that. So I like to build the position as it goes higher. And I only scale in once. Going higher or lower, I only scale in once. And that strategy has proven that I can lose 2 times and one good trade will bring me back to break even. And that's why I use that strategy, because it has a built-in law of number. Like it has built-in laws of numbers in it. So I mean I can lose two times. That second and third trade is highly likely to be a winner. And I can get all my money back. Or I can be right initially and be done for the day. So it's a great strategy. It keeps me in the game. It's great for newer traders wanting to learn this market. And that's why I showcase that strategy here on this stream. If you're a more confident trader and you like to also trade momentum, Smith is your guy. Smith is definitely your guy. But I also trade other markets as well. I trade Nasdaq, ES, gold. Honestly, I trade any market that moves. As long as it trades technically, I can trade it. Shit, ES, like shit. I'm damn near like 90% on ES. She's so easy to trade. You just got to wait for her. The same thing with gold. You just got to wait for it. You got to kind of be patient with it. If you try to chase it, you'll be in the situation I'm in now, underwater. If you try to chase her, but um, I mean, I just know that either she's going to hold 6K or we're just going to lose this level entirely. So That's nothing. That's something that we don't want to see here.
Yeah, we both look at book map.
Yeah, book map for sure.
Oh shoot. You what you
Mm.
doing?
So Pentium user. So so I have so for the technical analysis, I have two people that I've learned from. It's called damn, I keep forgetting, Master Traders. This is like they're two old guys, man. They're dinosaurs. Honestly, I think that hold on. Uh, they teach a strategy called bar by bar analysis, and that's where I've learned technical analysis from these guys right here. This is who I learned technical analysis from. Um, and obviously, I built on, well, this is obviously my foundation. These guys is really this guy right here. He's the technical trader. This is when I used to trade options, and yeah, they teach options. But I've come to learn that all markets move the same. They move in a technical way. It's just the only thing that's different is that the Nasdaq will trade back and forth. The ES will somewhat trade back and forth, like it won't finish its rotation immediately. Like it'll start the trade and then it'll pop back up and rebalance and then finish its rotation, versus gold, which you can see that it doesn't do that. Once it's in its rotation, it finishes it in that leg. And then you have your other leg and it finishes, and then you'll see the rotation up. So it's like, on top of knowing what technical analysis is, you also have to kind of understand the personality. YM is also very similar. YM is kind of, in my opinion, a mixture between ES and NASDAQ. Like she moves like the NASDAQ, but then she's technically sound like the ES as well. So it's like, uh, it's kind of, and then it's priced literally in the middle. It's priced literally in the middle. So, well, I guess micro ES is I guess $5 too, but yeah, well, let me do this. Yeah, you can see that YM is somewhat like it trades like the Nasdaq, but then it has structure like the ES. So if you're a YM trader, this is definitely, you don't have to deal with that bull crap that the Nasdaq does, but then you'll get big moves. And then I was in the sim with this. It's like if you caught like this whole entire move right here with a 10 lot, like you can make like 25 to 30K on YM, man. It's like the profitability on this instrument is crazy. It's crazy how much money you can make on this thing. But you have to be really accurate with her. You gonna say something?
No, yeah, I agree.
Shit, you fuck around, you'll find out on YM. I'm taking this trade in the sim to kind of showcase like how much money like you can make on this damn thing. This thing barely moved and I'm already down like $50 on a 10 lot on YM, yo. This shit she ain't no joke. She is not no joke, man. She is not a joke. But yeah, on the 10 lot, you can make a lot of money. This one leg was probably like 2K, 20K, 15K. Yeah, dude. Honestly, I really can't see myself ever trading my real money in my account. And Rhino, yeah, yeah, yep. Yeah, that's crazy that that Nvidia is joining Dow. I wonder what that will do to it. I mean, will that make it trade more like the Nasdaq now? I mean, that's crazy that they're doing that.
Yeah, when does that take effect?
Dude, I don't know, man.
Yeah, ES is looking weaker to me than NQ, but that means she probably gonna take NQ down with her.
Yeah. Liam, uh, it really depends. Obviously, me and my trading partner, if you join our streams, obviously, if we're not trading on tilt, obviously, when we're not doing that, we definitely showcase and explain the reason why we're getting in our positions that we get into, and 9 times out of 10 we are profitable. The only financial influencer that I trust is what's his name? Carmine. I feel that because I did buy his course, and at the time I didn't get it, but now that I understand the market a lot more, yeah, that was great information. Support and resistance. I mean, it's kind of that simple. Support and resistance is kind of that simple. Trading is that simple. The only thing that makes trading very complicated is your emotional and mental capacity for the trade itself. Like if you're impatient to wait for a support area and you trade in the messy middle, well, if you trade in the middle, you'll become liquidity. You'll become a liquidity donation to the market. It's just that simple. The Nasdaq, you can get away with trading in the middle, but on other instruments, you won't. Unfortunately, you won't. Warrior 93, yeah, we just got out of a gold short. We caught the gold short. I'm still in my gold short in my swing account, but uh, I try to get into a gold play here and there, and if I see something, I will call it out. I will call it out. We have a high percentage rate with gold in this room. I love gold now. Like I love trading gold. I love the risk to reward with gold. I can literally only risk $200 on a gold trade and make 2K. I mean, I just love that, and I've been doing that with gold this ever since I started trading her. So, uh, but if you're saying no, gold is still in its rotation lower, she still has some way to go. I'm thinking that we'll probably see a bounce around like 695, somewhere in this area, 696, 695. But we could see them come at 2700 right here. We could, but gold is on its rotation lower. Gold has a lot. Yeah, it can probably even come back down here to 690 if it breaks this low. But we're gonna have to see what the price action overnight looks like.
That chart is insane. Look at that drop.
You talk about on gold? Yeah. Oh, you talk about on
Yeah.
Nasdaq?
Oh, gold. Your chart
Oh, okay. Yeah. Gold. Yeah.
to the
Hey,
left.
yeah. Yep. Gold is I love this thing, man. I caught this whole move down, baby. More, ooh, I caught this whole move. I was so happy, man. I was so happy. I was like, dude, I caught this move, baby. I caught it. Actually, I think I know I caught it all the way to so I was in like right here, and I was able to no, I was actually here at this double top right here at 2742, and I was able to catch think all the way, yeah, right here to 69.91. So I caught this move, and then I got mad because it kept going down lower, and then I was able to get into this double top right here and catch this move down. But I made the mistake of thinking that the market was going to keep shorting, so I shorted it again and gave back like half those gains. So I was like, whatever, dude. I should have known that they was going to pump this thing FOMC back up into an area of support or resistance and sell off. Should have known, but Hey, if you give a bear an inch, shit, we're gonna short it into a mile, baby. We're gonna keep shorting it until the
That's
shorts don't work no more.
true. Like, no, because you see me catch a short in past streams and then I continue doing it and like, no, I short at the bottom.
Shorting's
And then by the
addictive.
time you realize, yeah, it is. By the time you realize you're wrong, it's especially on Nasdaq, it's like way too late.
Mm-hmm.
And then don't try to add into it thinking it's gonna keep going lower. Like, nah, that's Clap City right there. Clap City. Yo, this is funny right now. NQ, remember we was talking about this earlier in earlier stream. NQ is showing more strength than ES right now. I'm looking at identical charts, and NQ is showing more strength than ES. I don't trust it. I don't trust NQ to lead the way. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take what it gives me, but I don't trust it.
Dude, I mean, like I said, I don't think this drops on ES though. I don't think it drops. If it drops, I'm just watching to see if it goes underneath this low right here. Because we got to remember, this ain't the Nasdaq. You got to remember the ES. She likes to come out. She likes to be beautiful. She likes to take her time. She likes to take her time. Now, if she does break it, if we do see a break below that low, then this ain't gonna hold. We going down lower, because all these stops that's underneath this low right here, shit, this going down lower.
It's gonna get ran. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
if the market wants to hold, go ahead.
I'm just throwing my ad libs out there. Stop Run City.
Stop Run City. The Nas Clap. I like that, Rhino. The Nas Clap.
That's why I went short earlier, thinking because ES was looking weaker, so it was looking like it was going to keep dropping. And I thought NQ would follow suit, but then also I had conflicting information because NQ they got this demand here, this 2016, 2015, or 215, 216 area where they built solid demand on this small time frame. So I trusted ES to do the heavy lifting, but now I see that NQ has more strength, at least right now. So hopefully NQ can do it, put ES on its back and carry it to the moon. To the moon, baby. Nah, you right. I mean, I'm not saying you're not wrong, Rhino. You are not wrong. Logically, that makes sense. Profit taken. We had super all-time highs. Logically, that makes sense. And that's what we were thinking yesterday. It was kind of Clap City if you were trying to short yesterday. Or today, whatever. You know what I mean. Kind of Clap City.
Yeah.
Trending. I tried to establish, man, I wanted 870 so bad. 20,870. Imagine still holding that from 20,870. Hey.
Shit, we're both in swing accounts and we ain't getting none of that, man.
I keep forgetting it's a swing account. You can hold that. Could hold for at least a week.
At least until
Monday to
tomorrow,
Friday.
Friday. Yep, Monday to Friday. I'm so mad about my SPY calls, man. I can't believe, like, dude. I mean, sometimes I gotta just think about some things harder than I do sometimes. Of course, they was gonna do that crap. Of course, it was gonna wait until after the elections. I don't know why I thought that, because something told me just to buy it 2 days out, like for Wednesday. But then it was too expensive for me. But I guess I lost all that money though. So, man, I had 578 calls. I could have bought him for Thursday, yet I chose not to do it. I was like, dude, I was like, man, just get these 0 DTEs, man. These 1 DTEs, man. Make this money. And I thought the market was going to get it, man. I really thought it was going to get it, but of course the election is going to hold the market up. And once we figured out who the next president was going to be, that was going to determine if the bulls bought or not. But
you know how I feel.
yeah.
You know how I feel. Man, I bought, this was 572 calls that I bought, not looking at the expiration. I was trying to do too much.
Mm-hmm.
So I thought I did it for the one day, but it was a 0 DTE. And those calls jumped from, they went from 40 something bucks, $40, because I bought at 69, 569, 68, or no, 570 and 569. I think we got down to 68 and then we bounced.
Mm-hmm.
Man, some things went up to like $4, yo. And I bought 2 at like 40. Pissed.
Yeah.
I'm like, what? I literally opened the app. I kid you not. I opened the app. I was like, yo, where's my position? Why is it not? Why is my balance down? What happened? I really had to sit there and think about that. I was like, no, it was a 0 DT. I swear I thought it was for one day, for the following day. And them things would have, man, I would have been eaten.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I was hurt about that. That hurt me. Hurt my feelings, Spy. And now she at 595. Like, what?
My bad, Pentium user. No, so this is Ninja Trader 8. What you see on the screen is Ninja Trader 8. If you're talking about this, these are indicators that, I mean, like, I don't necessarily use TradingView. This is, don't judge me, but this is like some ITC stuff when, you know, everybody has ICT indicators. What I like to use these things for is to see where the support is when I look at like SPY and stuff like that. So these are the indicators that I use: the EMAs, smart money concepts, ICT concepts by Lux Algo, which is all free. I've already shown that you buy a fair value gap blindly if you want, you'll become liquidity just like everybody else. But yeah. So the only thing that I only look at the EMAs. I only look at the structure, and I like to look at support areas where price could potentially find support and bounce. I ignore all fair value gaps, breaker blocks, all that stuff. I feel like these things don't. I mean, if you're scalping, I guess they can work if you're scalping, but I'm a long-term trader, so obviously, ideally, I want to get in that resistance and I want to take profits at support and vice versa. So, Rhino, I definitely agree. Just building that habit of being Mitch, because like, I mean, I'm not going to say that I do it myself, but I do have a hard time one and done trades. Now, MFF kind of forces me to do that in the funded account. You have to make there's a consistency rule with MFF. So you have to make the same amount or close to the same amount. And I absolutely hate that. But I absolutely love the fact that I can get a payout every week if I adhere to these rules. The one day where I didn't adhere to it and I went tilt and hit daily loss limit, I had to trade 2 extra days to get that money back. So Like I said, I hate it, but I do love the fact that we get paid out every week. So, mm. So yeah, just building up that habit, being consistent, taking one trade, win or lose, accepting what happens, journaling the results, seeing what you could do differently, and just building that habit. Yeah, that's a great way to begin to learn how to trade. Get your mental and emotional state it's in a solid area.
Oh, that reminds me. Journal. I was gonna make a recap video of yesterday and today, but and I tried to import my trades into TradeZilla
Mm-hmm.
from TradingView, and it's giving me an error. I was so upset because I was ready to. I was like, all right, we're gonna get back, we're gonna make this recap, we're gonna journal it and
Mm-hmm.
kind of go over yesterday and today. It kept giving me an error. I was like, damn, a little sad about that. I
What
was
errors?
looking forward to doing it.
What errors was it giving you?
It was saying TradeZilla was saying that it was missing a field or something, but
Mm.
everything in there was correct. So
Did you make
I
sure
don't
that
know.
you switched it from because I guess it's a way how you download it. I think it's like it's either a CSV or Excel file. Do you recall which way you downloaded the file?
I just downloaded it
Uh,
because I can get it. It didn't even give me the option
it
to
usually
choose
should.
the format in TradingView because
Oh,
I
oh,
go
you
like
said Trading View. Okay, for some reason I'm thinking you're saying Trade of
yeah,
Eight.
trading.
Okay,
No,
no,
no, TradingView.
yeah, never
Yeah, I can
mind.
get Trade Yeah, I can get my stuff all day.
Mm-hmm.
Trade TradingView. It's my first time trying it to export. You just go to. I don't know if it's on my screen.
I guess let me look at it then. Trading notifications, all events, blah blah blah. Events.
You really can't see it on my stream, but if you go to it's right below summary row, or it says export data.
You said
Okay,
summary
now
row.
you see. Yeah, you got to click the three dots by your account info
Mm.
on the left, and then export data, and then you want to do the history, and then just hit export, and it'll download it.
Okay, so yeah, it's downloaded it in the CSV file. That's why.
Oh, CSV, yeah,
Yeah. I think there's a way to you said that it's in what are you using as a journal again?
TradeZilla.
I think there is a way to change that format to CSV. Yeah, because it's exporting in a CSV, and I think TradeZilla wants it to be in an Excel sheet format.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. I just know it kept giving me an error, and I was like, ah. Decided to do that recap video, but I'm like, I'll figure it out. Probably figure it out over the weekend or something.
Okay. Actually, I'm just gonna let my I mean, I spent $300 on TradeZilla. Shit, wasted all that money because now it seems like everybody now has the same journal format already in their platform. So TradeZilla is kind of irrelevant at this point, in my opinion. So I spent $300 on that damn thing for nothing.
Yeah, that thing renewed. I was like, what? What is this?
Oh yeah, I think.
I
Hold
was
on, let me
like,
make sure I
hey,
canceled mine.
yo. I was like, hey, yo, what is this?
You did your
Why would I
refund?
spend $300 on? Nah, I kept it, but I canceled it. So it's good until next year, but I
Mm,
definitely hit the cancel.
Let me make sure I got it canceled, dude. Because yeah, I definitely don't need it no more. So I got it
Yeah, 'cause
until
MFF, it almost seems like the same thing on MFF.
yeah, it is exactly the same. That's why I canceled it. I was like, man, it's the same shit on MFF. And that's my home now, so I don't need this shit no more.
Done stole that man's brand or somebody, whoever the developer was, got that mess out there open source.
hmm This is why you don't chase the ES. I chased the ES and I found out. I figured that what it was going to do was going to break out here, but apparently, I mean, it didn't do it. But like I said, I'm confident in this area because I think they're going to hold 6K on EA. I mean, on EA, on ES. And if it breaks below this low right here, then I know I'm wrong. Underneath 98, if it breaks below that, I'm wrong. But yeah, I canceled that thing. Yeah, I canceled it. It's not going to renew. But actually, let me look at it because
Because
go ahead.
well, for me, I was like, well, I don't really use it that much to be to justify spending that, even though I know it's annual, but still,
Yeah. All right. So let
it's
me
a
look at
good. And
the.
they're adding, he's adding new features and stuff and trying to make it more, trying to improve on it. But
Mhm.
bro,
Oh, did you change the platform to TradingView? Did you do that?
yes. So okay, there is a thing with that. So because you have to select, or for at least for me, it made me select a broker,
Uh-huh.
and I'm like, okay, I'm not using a broker because it's a prop firm.
Mhm.
I'm not using an actual broker, and then they didn't have Trading View as the option for the broker. So yeah, I don't know. Like I said, I'll figure it out.
And did I just get logged out? Like it is because I'm looking at it now. All right, so let me test it out because it says upload your CSV file. TradingView is an option, so I'm gonna
Yeah,
turn it to TradingView. I guess whatever. I'm gonna upload, and then you're talking about the broker. I think you have to use. Let's see if they have it because I think
Trade
it's isn't TradeStation. I think they use TradeStation. I,
Stations,
I think they use TradeStation.
Trading View.
Yeah, TradingView. I think they use TradeStation. Let's look that up.
I don't know. I picked Trade of Eight, and it's still. I know you can. I know you can use Trading View through Trade of Eight,
Mm,
so that's why I just selected that. But let's get
mm,
error. Should I be patient and hold this, or should I cut this and go to bed? Or
mm.
well, $200. Um, they're gonna make us wait, and I don't want to wait.
I mean, yeah, I'm definitely gonna hold this overnight. I don't think we see a drop tomorrow. At least not initially. I think we're going to get up into these areas up here. We can probably see a run of these highs because everybody's going to short 13 and get clapped. I think we could see like 20, 23-ish, right where these pivot points are. I think we see it tomorrow. And then, we can see that rotation down probably next week. But Monday is an American holiday. We know the market loves to grind higher.
Well, we back on was it Veterans Day?
Hmm.
Oh yeah, you know what happened last year?
Yeah.
And I
Shit.
think the year before that. That was just a straight up day.
Yeah, it was, dude.
I tried to short it. I remember. Why are my shorts not working? We're sitting here trending up. Buy any dips. Not financial advice. Take it from, well, yeah, like you said, American holidays, they're so bullish in the
Hmm.
markets. Nobody thinks to short on American holidays.
I don't. Yeah, dude. It's easily one of the because I mean nobody's not going to short that thing. I mean it's like TradingView does not match the account broker Ninja Trader.
Got the error?
It's saying something about Ninja Trader. Maybe okay. Okay. So let me just do it. Let me do it this way. Because I just use Tradeovate and yeah. Okay. So maybe it's me. Maybe it's okay. Maybe it's yeah. Okay. So um manage accounts. Okay. So yeah, I got the broker. So I'm gonna add account. Uh, Trading view paper trading. First in, first out. It says clear selections first. Huh? It says clear the selection first. Dude, I don't know what the hell this thing is saying.
Position low.
And they even got Top Step X on this. That's interesting.
Yeah, I saw that.
Okay,
Maybe I
so
should choose. I mean, Top Step X is basically trading view, right?
um add trades. Okay, so broker is required. So it says something about Oanda, so I'm gonna try Oanda and see if that works. Or if I'm saying the name right.
Forex. It's a Forex broker.
That's what it said online.
Oh, really? You use Olanda?
Yeah, well,
Have an account with them back in the day.
it says that brokers used by TradingView. It says Oanda is mentioned as blah blah blah. Capital Town. It says additional articles. All right, let me try this. TradingView paper trading. Because like I said, I think it's the CSV file that's really messing you up because it's looking for columns and rows and all that other stuff, and I don't think the CSV has that. The CSV format has that for whatever reason, and then you might have to enter the trades manually or something like that.
I ain't doing all that.
Yeah,
You know, me trades I be taking too much.
that's interesting that they don't.
I think I'm gonna just
Hmm. So maybe it's just you profit itself. Maybe because it's like the same thing. Like so I okay. So let's I'm gonna try Top Step X. I'm gonna try another Top Step X because I think it's the same thing. All right, so let's see if it'll work. So I think it's the same thing. All right.
yeah, I think I'm gonna call it here though. Um yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream. Go to
Okay.
sleep. I got my stop. If it gets down here and touches my stop, then I'm wrong.
Mm.
But yeah, if I get stopped, I will get it back in the morning.
Yep. We'll always get the money back.
But
Yeah, I guess.
yeah,
Yeah, we'll figure this out because yeah, that didn't work. We'll figure it out. All right. But all right, guys. I guess we'll end it here then. I guess we'll end it there. Use TradingView
all right,
verse.
everybody. Hopefully, I wake up and my 380 target got hit. 315 at a minimum.
That looks
But all
like a
right,
pass.
y'all know my position. Let's see. I'm in at, what is that? 28? No, 29. 29, 37. So we'll call it 29.50. 29.50 my average, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully we break this. If we struggle here, I think if they fail to break this here, this area here, let me draw it out. They fail to break this. Might see some vicious selling off of that. But yeah. But if we break through this, which I believe we will, then don't go. We hitting Sherm's 315 target. Nah, but we'll see. We'll see what happens.
Yeah, I mean, we definitely just have to we just got to get it above 250 and find support above that. Then 350 is definitely a possibility. This is why I don't trade gold. And okay.
But all right, y'all, I'm gonna end my stream here. I'll catch everyone in the AM cash session.
All right, everybody. Have a good night. Peace out.